You wake up, you go to work, you get paid, you pay bills, you start over, day after day, month after month, year after year, stuck in a cycle that feels impossible to break. And if you're like most people, you're tired of working harder and harder while feeling like you're barely moving forward. But what if I told you there's a way to flip the game, a way to make your money work for you, instead of you always working for money? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap and build a future where your money earns, grows, and multiplies, even while you sleep. And make sure you stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your own financial machine, one that works 24/7, even when you don't. If you're serious about making this the year you change everything, hit that subscribe button right now. This isn't about getting lucky, this is about getting smart. Let's dive in. Once you've shifted your mindset to saving for investment, the next step is choosing where to deploy your money wisely. And here's the rule. Focus on assets that grow or pay you back automatically. For most beginners, that means starting with things like index funds, broad collections of stocks that grow over time without you needing to pick individual companies, or dividend stocks, companies that share a portion of their profits with you every quarter. Or maybe it's real estate, starting small, like investing in REITs, which let you invest in properties without owning a physical building. Or even digital products or small online businesses, assets that can keep selling, even when you're not working. The key is this: pick assets that work harder over time without requiring you to trade more and more of your hours. Let your investments be your workers. Let your money clock in, even when you clock out. And the best part? You don't need thousands to start, you just need to start. Coming up next, I'll show you how to automate this whole process, so your money keeps building itself with almost zero effort from you. The real magic happens when you stop relying on willpower and start relying on automation. Because if you have to manually transfer money, manually invest, manually remember, eventually, life gets busy. And when life gets busy, goals get forgotten. But automation protects your progress. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account straight into your investment accounts every month, even small amounts. You can set automatic reinvestments of your dividends, so every dollar your money earns goes right back to work, buying more assets for you. You can set up auto contributions into retirement accounts, brokerage accounts, even savings accounts. When you automate, you remove decision fatigue, you make growth your default. It happens quietly, consistently, without you even thinking about it. And that's the true secret. People who seem like overnight successes usually just had systems running quietly in the background for years. Set it once, let it run, watch your wealth build itself. And now that you know how to automate your growth, let's talk about the final unstoppable force that turns small beginnings into massive success: the power of time. Time is the greatest multiplier of wealth, and yet it's the one thing most people underestimate. When you invest and automate early, even small amounts grow into something massive. Not because you hustled harder, but because you gave your money enough time to expand. That's the power of compound growth. It's not linear, it's exponential. At first it feels slow. It's like planting a seed and checking every day, seeing almost nothing. But then one day the roots are deep, the branches stretch high, and the growth becomes unstoppable. $100 invested consistently can turn into $10,000. $1,000 can turn into $100,000. Not by gambling, not by guessing, but by respecting the silent, invisible magic of time and patience. Every day you delay, you lose momentum. Every day you stay consistent, you amplify it. And now you know the truth. Wealth isn't built in one big move. It's built one smart decision at a time, stacked consistently over years. Coming up next, let's tie everything together, because your journey toward true financial freedom is already underway. You don't have to work until you collapse. You don't have to trade every hour of your life just to survive. You have a choice. Today, you learn the blueprint. Save to invest in smart assets, automate your growth, and let time work its silent magic. You have the tools. You have the map. Now it's about taking the first step, and then another, until your money, your investments, and your systems are working harder than you ever could alone. Imagine waking up a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and realizing that while others kept running on the hamster wheel, you built a machine that works for you 24/7. Your future isn't determined by how much you make today, it's determined by what you do with what you have, starting now. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the first move you'll make to start making your money work for you? And if you're ready for more real, practical strategies to save, invest, and build your best life, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This is just the beginning. Let's build your freedom together.